Hello everyone. Let's see our next tutorial, that is importing CAD variables. You can see on my screen I have opened a coupling FEA assembly here, and you can see the tagging which we had done earlier for this assembly. So you must be remembering that we added mesh size CAD parameter. We have specified some values against that CAD parameter for each CAD part. Now the intention is we want to consider different mesh sizes for different parts. Now let's see how one can fetch these values directly in CAENexus. You can see on my screen I have opened the abstract model file, and in the meshing tab you can see we have created a mesh size attribute. So I'll just open that attribute. So you can see here we have specified a mesh size of 20 mm. But now what we want is we want different mesh sizes is to be considered for different CAD parts. For that, we will have to use an expression called as double param from CAD. So I'll just put that expression here. So if you press D, then that expression will come automatically. Just click on that and I'll just magnify the user interface. So you can see this expression. This expression is called as double param from CAD. In that expression, here we have to specify a CAD parameter name. So in our case, the CAD parameter name is mesh size. So I'll just put mesh underscore size here. After that, we need to give some default value. So I'll just put 20. So with this expression, what I'm saying that I want to fetch the values from the CAD against the mesh size CAD parameter, and if those values are not found, then use 20 as my default value. So this way one have to set the attribute. Let's now see what happens when we create simulation model. So you know that for creating simulation model, you have to click on this icon. Then it will ask for the CAD model, which is to be linked with your abstract model file. So I'll just select coupling FEA.assembly and I'll just click on open. Now the simulation model will get created. You can see here simulation model is now created. Let's see now the mesh size attribute in the class tab and the model tab. So in the class tab, if I open the mesh size attribute, then you can see the expression whatever we have given in our abstract model file. Let's now see the same attribute in the model tab. So in the model tab, we'll just see mesh size. So here the attribute has been splitted based on the volume, and you can see here the respective mesh size values, those are fetched in the simulation model. So if I click on any of the attributes, so you can see for the volume 1, 20 mm mesh size is considered. Maybe for volume 3, 15 mm mesh size is considered. So likewise, based on the values given in the CAD model against the CAD parameter, CAENexus has fetched the mesh size values. This way, one can use the expression double param from CAD in the attribute, and you can import the CAD variable in CAENexus. So that's all from this tutorial. I thanks everyone, and if you have any question, then please feel free to contact at support@novusnexus.com and we'll get back to you accordingly. Let's now meet in the next tutorial. Till then, have a good day. Bye.